A new day, a new fresher job update. Hello everyone, this is Reshi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, and today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Salesforce Off Campus Recruitment 2024 hiring freshers. Freshers Camp is your one-stop destination which provides you with regular announcements of job notifications, especially fresher job updates, as well as internships from all over India. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. You will get the full details regarding the video if you watch this video till the end, and we will also provide you with step-by-step guide to apply for this post. So watch this video till the end. Salesforce is a leading multinational company and has announced this recruitment process hiring freshers. If you want to apply for this post, you have to click on the apply link which have been given in our description box. As you can see, we have already mentioned in our screen, and then you have to click on the apply link and it will direct you to the official website of our company, Freshers Camp. Now after visiting our official website, you can notice that we will provide you with regular roles and responsibilities of the candidates, as well as the degree, as well as the job locations and other such job related information. After scrolling back down, you will notice that we have provided the eligibility criteria. Candidates need to have a degree in BE or B.Tech from the batches of 2025. The job location will be Bangalore and Hyderabad. The job role is Software Engineering. Candidates need to apply for this post as soon as possible. Candidates should have a CGPA of more than 7 and no active backlogs. Architect, deliver, design, test and also implement the highly scalable products. Master our development process, culture and code base. Work closely with a team of engineers and project managers and also user experience experts and performance managers to build certain new features that the customers will love and also develop, and also adopt and use while keeping our platform trustable and scalable. Develop test strategies and also design automation framework, validated functional test to test up the coverage, analyze, design and develop test cases, and also implement automated test suites. And the desired skills, candidates should have strong analytical and problem solving skills, team player with the ability to work effectively and efficiently, be a self-starter and possess strong sense of self-motivation, experience using metrics to provide excellence. So these were the desired skills. And then after scrolling back down, you will notice the apply link option where you have to click and it will direct you to the official website of the company for which you are applying. In this case, it is Salesforce, and then you can fill in your details and apply for the desired post. So these were the information regarding the job update. If any queries still persist, you can comment down in our comment box section and we'll try to provide you with a resolution as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video till the end. This is Reshi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with your regular announcements of job notification. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for your daily dose of job notification at your one-stop destination, Freshers Camp. So keep watching and thank you for watching. Stay tuned.